Okay, so like, tell me about like the lifetime of a patch, right? Like, you put it on and it lasts the day. I mean, like, how does it work? Does it wear out? I mean, there's nothing actually coming through the patch, right?
So there's nothing to wear out. There's no ingredients going in the body, and there's the only thing to wear out is the adhesive.
Wow.
Right? There's one more piece, and that is some of the skin is going to start sticking to the pattern, right? So the recommendation is every 24 hours, just change them out.
Can you just put them anywhere? Oh boy.
So I have my favorite spot on which camera. Yeah, so ideally where there's the least amount of hair. Yeah, right? Yeah. So some people have to put on their foreheads. But what I've done is I've got pretty hairless forearms, but I also I'll trim it up a little bit.
Yeah, I'd be trimming all day.
Yeah, I trim up my ankles, and those are my spots. Yeah. You really want them where it's not going to be, bending so much.
Yeah.
And it's fantastic. So they call it, when we were first introduced to this, they were calling it tech, and I couldn't wrap my mind around it. It's like, come on, tech, it's tape. It's tape. It's made by 3M. Now, it's like, oh my gosh, the tech behind this, and there's really beautiful videos of Jay describing how he put this together. He's been on some very significant podcasts explaining this technology, and it is definitely worth a watch. I can post that up or put it in the link.
It'll be there.
Yeah,
let's do it.
It's beautiful.
That's incredible.
I have a beautiful story with a ripple effect from Albert's gym. So somebody that we met at the day at the stability test for his seniors, she had such a profound effect that she invited a friend that was really struggling. This friend had just had to move out of her home and get an ADU new place away from her friends. That was the hard part, is the home that she was living in was near all of her community and friends, but she had gone from a cane to a walker and was starting to lose hope and knew that she needed to get an ADU place to live, and had just ordered her wheelchair. So here's another one of these stories where it's like, I'm not making this up. This is absolutely life-changing. The friend from the gym that we met brings this friend over. We put a Liberty patch on her, which is the stability patch, and instantly had strength. Instantly didn't need the walker.
Oh my
Instantly. Goodness. Okay. So she's been coming over for 3 weeks now. And I got emotional yesterday as she's bopping down the walk. No cane, no walker. And she is also wearing peace and joy, and her entire demeanor has changed. That her life is forever changed. She has hope. And that all came from Albert sharing it with somebody who shared it with somebody, and that's what I get to do every day. It's super rewarding.
And then in terms of like the Ascend Brain Center, where are you guys located and how do people find you?
So Ascend Brain Center is in the 5 Mile Overland area, so it's Southeast Boise-ish, and super cozy. We operate literally out of our home, which is because we bootstrapped, right? We bootstrapped the business, and we got to a place where we're going to get a commercial location. All of our clients are like, don't you dare. So we've created it's kind of like Yellowstone meets Star Trek. I know that. We've got the biochargers, and it's really fun. So yeah, beautiful environment. People can come, get cozy, and we have like a real fireplace. And
that sounds amazing. Guys, thank you so much for coming down here today. This has been such an eventful meetup. You know what I mean? I'm really grateful for it, and I just think what you guys are bringing forward is just tremendous. So wonderful. Keep up the great work.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Thanks for having us, Cheyenne.
Thanks for having us. All right, so which patch are we going to demo?
Okay, so this is the Liberty patch. Okay, and you can say it says, get moving like never before. Okay, so feet shoulder width apart.
Okay.
Hands down by your side, and then make a fist. And then lock this shoulder. I'm going to push up on you, so lock down, okay? Resist me, and don't let me to be that way.
Okay.
Try not to. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Resist, resist, resist. Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Resist. I'm going to pull down. Try not to let me tip you forward.
Okay.
So, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay?
Wow.
So let's find a spot right here. Looks great. So the second it touches your skin, it's working. Similar as if I were to do that, you feel it instantly. There's the descent. Hands by your side, make a fist. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What? That's bizarre. I feel like I'm anchored.
Yeah. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
What on earth? What's going on?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What the heck is going on? That is so weird.
We're gonna do it again, Joe.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
You gotta be kidding me. No.
3, 2, 1.
God, I don't get it. That was wild.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. That is so strange.
Now you can feel it in your body.
Yeah.
Now you understand, okay, this is doing something. What are the other 13?
No kidding.
Right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow. I feel like a mountain goat or something. I can scale the wall right now.
You're really strong.
That's crazy. That's
Feet together.
oh, yeah. Wow. I feel like I'm Spider-Man. That's crazy. I don't want to take it off.
You're fully optimized, sir.